friends, welcome to SK Crypto, another episode of Metamask. Today we are going to learn about how to connect the wallet, Binance Smartchain connect to the Metamask. The reason we connecting the wallet in order to pay less gas fees for our IDOs, buying cheap, very cheap tokens. So we go and learn today how to connect the wallet. Let's see connecting Metamask to Binance Smartchain. How you do that? First, go to there's many ways. First, go to Google it. Binance Smartchain wallet. Then you can find here there's many way to download the wallet. Binance Smartchain wallet under the Chrome Google.com. So we will click here. This is a browser extension. Just add to your Chrome in the is Google Chrome. If yours is either Microsoft Edge or any other browser, you say your browser. So add to Chrome, add extension. You can see here extension. If you don't see, you can add manually. This is the way how you ping. If you cannot see here, go to your extension. And you can see under the extension it's here, Binance wallet. You simply pin. You can see now. Go and sign up. Create your wallet. If you have already seeds wallets, you just use the extension wallet. In this case, you create a wallet. Create a new wallet. Generate the first seed phrase. As you see, our first video about Metamask is the same way you do your phrase. First, you have to give your password. Give a strong password. I'll give here a strong password. Give my strong password. Then continue. Please make sure your password and this backup your seed phrase write down separate on paper, or you can store in somewhere in a pen drive. Please, as much as places you save, because at least 2-3 places. If you lose these things, you will lose your all assets inside the wallet, because Binance not helping find out your coin, because it's your fault you lose your password or secret keys. Continue. First you copy this one, and they will ask again. You have to create wallet. You can say click copy, it will copy everything. Or if you want to get a private key, get my private key is here. In this case, I copy everything. Continue. Now they ask the first word, 9th word, and 12th word. So I had to give these things. The first one is free, P. 9th is delay. Let's continue. Okay, your wallet is open. Please remember to save your details, and we are going to connect the Binance Smartchain wallet to Metamask. Let's see how you do it. If you don't have Metamask, go to metamask.io, then download as you download the Binance Smartchain. Same way you can download the Metamask. This is the support in browsers. Okay, we are going to connect the wallet. If you go academic.binance.com, you can find the details. All details are here how to connect the wallet. This is a mainnet. So copy these details under the network name Smartchain. After you copy the link, go back to Metamask, and you can see we are in now Ethereum mainnet. We want to Binance Smartchain, connect to it. Go to custom RPC. We are going to replace customly. Click here. This you are coming to this interface. Just enter the details. So first we ask in network name. Network name is Smartchain. We already copy the link. So network name Smartchain, we type here. Then paste the link that you copy, URL, chain ID 56, currency BNB, block explorer URL baccan.com. Once you give detail, check again is everything is correct. So save. Once you save, go back to the main page. You see here main page, you can see now change to a Binance Smartchain. If you want to go back to your Ethereum mainnet, so mainnet hits here, click, you can see it's a logo change and we are now Ethereum mainnet. It depends where you want to purchase your coin or swap. So the reason we came to the Smartchain is a low gas fees, so you can stay in Binance Smartchain here. I have existing wallet, so I have some coin balance. I'm using this BNBs. I'm going to buy a BAC pad from we go to CoinGecko. Just type in search box BAC pad, BAC pad. Then you go to the market. You can see here BAC pad in this is a Binance where Binance Smartchain is. Okay. So we go to the market and we'll see this is another thing you can learn now. This is the exchanges you can find. We are going to buy through Pancake Swap. So BAC pad grab BNB. So we have some BNB balance. We are going to buy through Pancake. Let's see how swapping coin. First you connect the wallet just on top of your page. My wallet already connected. So just this message coming. Let's say understand import bacpad.com. This is the address. So import the coin. Basically we import the coin from CoinGecko into Pancake Swap. So this is a Pancake Swap. This is the third man. It's helping us to buy BSC pad. Instead of buying from just type I'm going to buy 0.01 for the BNB, and let's see how much calculation BSC pad. It's here. I can minimum is 2.97 BSC pad. You see. So another thing I have to mention here in PancakeSwap, you can set your how much you want to pay these gas fees, transaction settings. You can do these things, and also the slippage tolerance. Slippage tolerance is example when we going to buy, the price is at the moment 1.18. Let's say this price is changed at the time when we're going to buy, so we have to keep some slippage tolerance 0.5 or continue. You can set here manually. I will keep slippage tolerance is maybe 5. I keep 5%. Right, just swap your coin. This is a transaction validating through Metamask. We already connected our wallet, Binance Smartchain. You can see here now transaction is we have to confirm. This is charges. Okay, you can view your transaction through BSC scanner. You can hear the sound confirm transaction. View on BSC scanner. You can see full details of this BSC scanner given in details. So in few ways you can add your coins to Metamask, your secure wallet. Just click on this pop sign, Metamask sign. It will add automatically. You can see here. Let's say add token. You can go and see your Metamask your wallet. This BSC pad already add. Or another way I will show you. If you cannot add like that, you go to your either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Just simply copy this contract address and come back to Metamask. Add coins. Just keep the contract address here. Automatically take the details. The message say token already been added because we already add. Otherwise, you can add this way as well. Okay, we came to the end. In case if you want to swap something, you just simply click the coin. For example, you want to sell or you want to send somewhere. Just click the token you bought, and if you want to send, you send. Click here and send the recipient address and send it. Or otherwise, you just swap to the other token. Just BSC pad, you can swap to, for example, USD, Binance USD. Click here and customize your slippage tolerance as you want. Just swap it. Type if you want to maximum everything, or you can manually type. Just swap. Okay, any other question? If you have, just ask me. This is the Metamask and Binance Smartchain how to connect. We learned today. I will bring to you next video how to buy from new exchanges. Example, new launchpad. We will talk about next video how to buy in a new launch pad through like a new IDO we can participate. So next video will be very exciting, so please stay tuned with our channel. If your comments, please mention to improve our channels. Thank you for joining us today. Please, one more thing, please do your own research before you finalize your decision. This is entertainment purpose and education video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hi my friends, we learned a lot today how to connect the wallets and purchase coins, and same way you can sell it. So please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, put your thumb up and help this channel to build and a lot of knowledge. In the next video, very exciting, how to participate IDOs. I will talk about in details. You can buy insane cheap. One day you can make a lot of money this way. Participate in IDOs. I will talk about my next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you.